Renovating your kitchen on a budget. The kitchen is one of the most important parts of a home, as it is where meals are prepared and often served. However, renovating a kitchen can be a costly project. Fortunately, there are ways to renovate your kitchen on a budget. In this article, we will provide some tips and tricks to help you renovate your kitchen without breaking the bank. Plan your renovation. Before starting any renovation project, it's important to have a plan in place. This will help you stay on track and within your budget. Start by creating a list of everything you want to change or update in your kitchen. This could include replacing cabinets, upgrading appliances, installing new countertops, or updating the flooring. Once you have your list, prioritize the items based on what is most important to you. Consider painting your cabinets. Replacing cabinets can be a costly endeavor. If your cabinets are in good condition but just need a little sprucing up, consider painting them. Painting your cabinets can give your kitchen a fresh, updated look without the expense of replacing them. Just be sure to use a high-quality paint that will hold up well over time. Upgrade your appliances. Upgrading your appliances can give your kitchen a modern look and improve functionality. However, buying brand new appliances can be expensive. Consider purchasing gently used appliances or shopping for sales and discounts. You can also look for floor models or scratch and dent appliances that are still in good condition but are being sold at a discount. Install new countertops. Replacing your countertops can completely transform the look of your kitchen. However, high-end countertops can be expensive. Consider more affordable options, such as laminate or butcher block. These materials can still look great and are much more affordable than granite or quartz. Use peel and stick backsplash. Adding a backsplash to your kitchen can add a pop of color and personality. However, installing a traditional tile backsplash can be expensive and time-consuming. Instead, consider using peel and stick backsplash tiles. These tiles are easy to install and can be removed and replaced easily if you decide to change your decor in the future. Shop for discounted materials. When renovating your kitchen, it's important to shop around for the best prices on materials. Look for sales and discounts on items such as flooring, lighting fixtures, and hardware. You can also check out discount stores or online marketplaces for deals on materials. Do some of the work yourself. While you may need to hire professionals for some aspects of your kitchen renovation, such as electrical or plumbing work, there are plenty of tasks you can do yourself. Painting cabinets, installing hardware, and even laying flooring can all be done with a little research and some elbow grease. Doing some of the work yourself can save you money on labor costs. Don't overlook the small details. Sometimes, it's the small details that can make the biggest impact. Adding new hardware to your cabinets and drawers can give your kitchen a fresh look. Updating your light fixtures can also make a big difference. Consider replacing outdated light fixtures with more modern options that complement the style of your kitchen. In conclusion, renovating your kitchen on a budget is possible. With some careful planning, smart shopping, and a little bit of elbow grease, you can transform your kitchen without breaking the bank. Remember to prioritize the items that are most important to you and don't overlook the small details that can make a big impact. Happy renovating!